Hey everyone, Dheeraj here. Today again I come with some important concept of Next.js. So in this video we will explore those concepts. Uh, so stay with me and let's start the video. Right. So again I am switching to my VS Code, and previously we have talked about that we have created the product item page, and on that page if we are creating on the item 1, then we are switching to the item 1 page, then again I am going back and clicking on the item 2, then we are switching onto the item 2 page. But on the product item detail page, product detail page, I am not getting that is something has been changed. So we are making some changes on our product detail page, so that we can be able to analyze. Here we are just analyzing with the URL, but on our product detail page there is nothing to change. So let's switch to the VS Code, and we are making some changes inside our code, right. So this is our product item page, where we are this is basically the product page, and now we are going to the switch to the product item page, product detail page. Here what I am going to import, here I am importing import use router hook from next/router, right. Now here I am const router, and here I am going to use router hook. Now if I am going to write like this will be the router, and here I am going to print the router, right. Now again I am switching to my Chrome browser, right, and here I am going to the console. Yes. So here is the query session, and inside the query session we can be able to get the IDs, right. So again I am switching to my VS Code and going to print the ID, so I am here writing the query, and again one more thing, query, and here query ID. So what ID, right. Again I am switching to the Chrome browser, and yes, we got the query, and here we got the ID, right. So again to the VS Code, and here I am going to print. This is product page for this, right. And again I am switching to the VS Code, Chrome browser, right. Here see, this is showing the item 2. Again I am going back to my product page and clicking on the item 3. So this is dynamically changes, right. If I am going to take it item 1, then this value is dynamically changed, right. So this way we can be able to change get the ID and print on our product detail page. This is basically we are fetching the ID from the routes, right? Now we are going to make some more changes and make more dynamic our application. So if I'm talking about the product page, sorry, if I'm talking about the product page, then it looks like it is a more static, because here all the things I have statically mentioned. So what if will be happen that if you are getting these details from our database, right? So for that purpose, what I am going to do here, I am going to declare a array, and suppose that this is basically suppose here that we are getting the data from our database. So it will be item 1 and its name will be item 1, and I'm going to copy this and printing, right? And this will be item 2, this will be item 2, this will be item 3, this will be item 4, this will be item 4, this will be, sorry, this will be item 5, this will be item 6, right? Similarly the ID will be also changed, 6 5 4 3 2 1, right? So this is our items. Now here what I am going to do, I am making it dynamic also. So I am here taking the UL tag, and inside that I am listing the items. So here I am going to items dot map, right? Here I am taking the item, and here I am going to add the list tag, and here inside the list I am adding the key, right? And that will be the item dot id, because that will be dynamic, right? And here I am adding the link, similarly just I have did it previously, right? And here href tag, and here I am adding the item dot name, and inside href tag what I am going to do, I am adding the backtick, and here I am adding the, I will follow the same approach like products, then after I am adding $sign, and inside that I am adding item dot id, right? Now switch to the Chrome browser, let's check what will be happen. So again I am going to the product page, yeah, here the 6 item will be appeared. And now if I am clicking on the item 1, then we are going to the switch on the item 1 page. And if I am going to the products page and I am clicking to this item 6, then we are finally switch to the item 6 page. So this is the way for creating a dynamic application. In this case we can assume that if we have an API that is providing the item details, then in that case we can be able to write our code in this way, so that we can be able to display all the items on our product page, and after clicking on those product items we can be able to switch on those respective product details page, right? So this is all about here we have to talk about, that is how we can be list products on dynamically on our product page, and then after how we can be able to switch on the product details page, and how we can be able to get the details from the routes and means and concat inside or we can be able to how we can be able to use those IDs that we are getting from inside the routes inside our product details page, and use that thing. So this is all about this video. In the next video we will come with some different topics of Next.js. So keep watching all videos and all the videos, so that you can be able to boost your concept inside the Node.js. So thank you. If you find something valuable in this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.